As a person who's not experienced, for example, I don't know how a good UX should look like, right? Yeah. How do you go about finding a good designer that you can trust?
Yeah, there are few options. You can go to marketplaces where there will be reviews of these designers. That's number one. Number two, and the one that I would go and is asking your friends, business partners, clients who are in the startup world, probably came across, and you're asking, would you recommend any UX UI designer? And even if that UX UI designer will not be available, they can in turn recommend someone. So you see, the industry is not super large, and its name is very, very important. And you know that if someone is very good in what they're doing, likelihood of them recommending someone who is not very good is very low, because that will affect their name and their own branding. Exactly, if they recommend someone who is not good.
Word of mouth is the thing to go to.
Yeah, I know it's 21st century, but yeah,
surprisingly,
yeah. I think I'm technically pretty good, but I think word of mouth is still killer one to go for.